My name is Gemmy Wout Binnendijk. I'm a fine art photographer from Holland. I painted a lot like the Dutch painter. 3.5 years ago I started with photography. I photographed a lot of animals. I did one wedding and that wasn't a success. Then I did a newborn shoot that also wasn't a success. I kind of thought like, okay, is photography something for me? And then I did a workshop in fine art. That was for me the turning point where everything changed. I'm now working as a full-time photographer. What I love about photography, it gives you total freedom to create whatever story you want. When I create an image, I'm really looking for every piece of the puzzle to fit. It's a combination of everything, the preparation, finding of elements, finding of props, of the whole story to make it. It's kind of like a translation of your idea into a real image that you can share with everyone. That's the best part that photography brought me. My first camera was a DSLR. I really enjoyed working with it, but I came to a point that I wanted more. So I saw that there was something more than that I was shooting at that moment. That's when I decided to make the transition to a medium format. When I first tried it, I already knew, okay, this is gonna be my camera. That was the moment that I was like, okay, now I'm gonna save everything I earn. It's why a camera like that, because I really like the details and the softness in shading and shadows, and you can really keep zooming in and it's so sharp, and the option that you can crop if it's needed, that you can even in small details like beautiful hands or something, you can crop them and you have like a big size image. Phase One really gives like the 3D. It's a kind of the feeling that you really can step into that setting or step into that scene and become one with it. For photographers, it's really important to let go of their insecurities, to show the world what they do and just go and create and find your passion.